Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest homes for sale. I'm here with Rebecca Mon.
Great to be here.
Yes, and it seems like we have a unique opportunity here, and this one is over in Fallbrook. Tell us about this parcel and what you could do with this.
Honestly, you could do anything with this. This is in Eastern Fallbrook in Duluth in a really exclusive area called Duluth Heights. You can see it's almost 5 acres, and the part you're looking at right there is a certified, graded, ready-to-go pad. A lot of times you buy land, there's a lot you've got to do to it. A lot has already been done for you here. Look at those views. It is beautiful out there, and there again you can see the pad. It has been prepped and ready for you to drop like a modular home or something you want to go on it. The water meter is right there to the left. I love this one because it outlines and shows you the whole property. Down there in the far left corner up towards the front, there's a fire hydrant right there, which is fantastic. The water meter is just to the left of the driveway. There's already some irrigation in place. There is drainage already in place. I mean, this is really very ready to go. For building your own custom home, Duluth is beautiful, super quiet, and like a paradise little area, but still you're only about 12 minutes from town.
It seems like an awesome opportunity, and it being almost, 5 acres?
That's right.
Yep.
Where can you buy that for $325,000 in San Diego County?
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
No, it definitely seems like a really great opportunity for someone looking to build their dream home, or someone who's looking to buy it as an investment or develop it, or create spec homes. And could you do multiple properties on this lot?
That, I don't know. Somebody would have to go to the county. I mean, there are other areas on the property that would need grading or things like that. This one is ready to go as a view lot.
Okay. Awesome. Well, if you're looking for a lot over in Fallbrook, this one has amazing views, very expansive. Give Rebecca a call and she'd be happy to set up a showing or give you some more information on it.